Here is a quick video to prove that the KB Commodore radio that I have does work. The battery on it is flat. It's the original battery, it's flat, so I've had to crop clip it to a 9-volt power supply. Turn it on. Volume. Tone. Tune in. Long wave. Medium wave.
Very surprised, especially after the result on Saturday when Town played well and won at Blackpool, but I understand that the decision was made before Saturday, and I think it's got a lot to do with unrest in the dressing room. I think players coming to the end of their contracts are not over keen on signing. Some on contracts might want to leave, and I think that's had a major part. I've heard of unrest almost from the start.
There you go. All works, just need a new battery.